Hey everybody, welcome back to World History. So here's what we're doing today. We're going to do section 2. Your bell ringer is what was one of the inventions we discussed last time and what did it do. Once we're done with the notes, you're going to take the quiz. If you're in the regular World History, you're going to start your Industrial Revolution project. And if you're in the honors class, you're starting your Turning Points research paper. Once again, our learning objective is to identify various inventions and their uses. So, one of the questions we have to ask ourselves is why Britain? Well, due to an abundance of natural resources, access to ports, rivers, coal deposits, and iron, it made it easier for Britain to be the birthplace of the Industrial Revolution. There's also, we got to talk about demand. This is people are wanting to buy this stuff in demand. Um, they're also going to then be building capital or money used to invest in enterprises. This is business organizations in areas such as shipbuilding, mining, railroads, or factories, really any business. The people that manage and assume the financial risk of those new businesses are known as entrepreneurs. And, well, capital invested in factories is also going to help employ the workforce. It also helps compared to the rest of Europe at this point. England has a very stable government compared to everybody else. Their government is not going crazy in the last few decades, like we've been talking about, like in France, or we'll talk about next semester when we talk about pretty much the rest of Europe. So, looking at the textile industry, textiles are a type of cloth or woven fabric. This is Britain's largest industry at this point. Up to this point, they'd been utilizing the putting out system or cottage industry, which I think we've talked about before. Again, think about it as like the idea of work from home. Like you're doing this work at home to bypass the guilds or the labor unions, and you can pay relatively less. Excuse me. So, some inventions that are going to speed up production. We have John Kay's flying shuttle, which is up here, which increased the speed of weaving. We have the spinning jenny being built by James Hargreaves. This is a machine for spinning with more than one spindle at a time. We have the water frame from Richard Arkwright, a spinning machine powered by water. And Eli Whitney, obviously from the United States, invented the cotton gin, which separated seeds from raw cotton. So, with this is going to start to see the beginning of factories. These new machines that are being invented, like the water frame and the spinning jenny specifically, are too big to go in people's homes. So it ends up putting out systems. So these start out as like sheds, essentially, that are just the workers and the machines. And typically they were built near water, so there could be water power than the steam engines. Again, hydroelectricity was a big part of the Industrial Revolution. Now, this also creates a need. We need a way to move the goods. So, there are going to be turnpikes or private roads built by entrepreneurs who charge travelers a toll or fee to use them. We still have those today in 2024. Canals, or efficient, inexpensive ways to receive coal and raw materials, are also going to be built. And we'll also see to start the usage of steam locomotion. They're not bound by the water, they could ship things over land. And Liverpool to Manchester, two of those locations on your map worksheet, became the first major railroad line in England, really beginning a transportation revolution as well. All right, that's it for notes for today. Again, regular world history, you're going to start on your Industrial Revolution project. Honors, you're going to start working on your Turning Points paper. I'll see you all next time. Bye, guys.